हाय सानिया, इस है। हाँ, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि 2014 जो अभी गुजर रहा है और जाने ही वाला है कुछ दिनों बाद, तो इसमें आपका रिमार्केबल क्या चीज़ें हुई इस साल को जिसे आप याद करना चाहोगे आगे तक?
आई थिंक आई मीन ऑब्वियसली टेनिस को लेके मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा साल रहा, चाहे वो यूएस ओपन हो या गोल्ड मेडल हो या वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप जीतना हो. सो इट्स बीन अ ग्रेट ईयर फॉर मी एंड also personally it's been a very good year, but also I've been able to do different things this year. I walked the ramp a few times and also did something like this which I've never done in my life. So all in all, it's been an extremely exciting year.
Hello Sania. Hi. You are promoting Bond movies and Sony
I don't know where you are, sir. Sorry.
Yeah, here.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
You are promoting Bond movies and Sony Pics. So, do you find some Bond-like qualities in your hubby?
Well, I hope so. I mean, I married him, and I like Bond. I think he's very understated, like Bond is. I think that's what is really good about Shoaib, and he's extremely, he's quiet, but he does his work, and he'll just, put his cufflink on and wink and walk away. So.
Hi Sania. Hi. Okay, you once said a statement that you would like Deepika to play yourself if there's a biopic made on you. So if that's the case, which actor you would like to play Shoaib's part?
I mean, I don't think Salman and Deepika have acted, right? Am I wrong? Have they acted? Salman and Deepika? They haven't acted. I'll just say Salman Khan.
That will be the last question. Both Saurabh and Sania will be available for interactions post the lunch. I thank everybody again for coming today. That's the end of the session. The refreshments are served outside.
Sania here. Sania, please stand up and say
अरे बैठ जाओ भाई लोग, बैठ जाओ भाई लोग, बैठ जाओ. आ रही हो?
Rolling?
आप ये टेनिस रोलिंग तो होने दो आप.
सनी, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन के बारे में बताइए कि कैसा रहा और कैसे आया.
एक्चुअली जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि मुझे जब अप्रोच किया गया, मेरा सीज़न तभी ख़त्म हुआ था एंड इसीलिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई थॉट इट वाज रियली इंटरेस्टिंग. हाँ, पहले जब आई वाज लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड कि जब व्हेन दिस केम एंड आई वाज लाइक आई डोंट नो, ऑब्वियसली आई हैड सर्टेन एप्रीहेंशंस, लेकिन उसके बाद व्हेन आई थॉट अबाउट इट, आई मीन हाउ मच वी ऑल लव जेम्स बॉन्ड एंड हाउ मच वी ऑल एंड हाउ respectable a channel Sony is, for me it was a no-brainer. So I think it was as simple as that, and after that it was a lot of fun. We shot for 3 days, 3 campaigns, and it was a lot of fun.
ये आपके लिए कितना चैलेंजेस था एज अ टेनिस प्लेयर?
थोड़ा सा था क्योंकि मुझे एक्टिंग करनी थी थोड़ी सी एंड देयर वाज थिंग्स लाइक दैट, लेकिन और आल्सो इट वाज नॉट जस्ट नॉर्मल, इट वाज थोड़ा सा अलग सी एक्टिंग थी, डायलॉग्स थे एंड थिंग, लेकिन आई थिंक द टीम, मैंने जैसे कहा, दे मेड इट सो सिंपल एंड दे केप्ट कमिंग अप टू मी एंड सेइंग नो प्रॉब्लम एंड maybe I was giving more takes that I should have, लेकिन no, they were really nice and we had a lot of fun.
जॉब आपका आसान नहीं है, बहुत सारी टिप्स देनी है उन लड़कों को जो लड़कियों का दिल जीतना चाहते हैं, तो टफ था, इजी था, किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस था?
नहीं, इजी था in terms of once you understand what you're trying to do, I think it was good. So लेकिन it was a lot of fun. I think James Bond is such an iconic character that has been around for all of our lives, I think. So it was pretty simple to understand on a closer note how good he is and how classy he is. So it was quite easy.
Sania, which player on the tour would remind you of James Bond, and would it be Federer because you're about to play with him?
Yeah, I think I was actually just going to say Roger. I think he's probably as classy as any man can get. Probably like James Bond. He'll win a few Grand Slams come, and almost you can just picture him just doing that to his cufflink and just walking away like nothing happened. So no, I definitely think classy and understated and really charming.
और सानिया, अगर आप टीचर होती तो किस तरह से टफ टीचर होती? अटेंडेंस इज कंपलसरी?
मैं शायद होती, मेरा काफ़ी आई एम क्वाइट disciplinary, so to say, in my life as well, क्योंकि मेरी पूरी ज़िंदगी has been very disciplined, so I think I would be quite a tough teacher.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
No side, please.
ANI, Times Now, headlines today, Zoom.
Ma'am, एक मिनट मैम.
रिपोर्टर कहाँ है?
रिपोर्टर नहीं है, क्वेश्चन इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है वाइट सविता